Cerise, I want to thank you for being here today and kind of sharing with some of the folks that are going to be watching this video about what was going on. And you had a lot of foot and ankle issues going on, but I really wanted to kind of focus on the fact that a number of years ago you were involved in a motor vehicle accident. Is that right?
I was in a wreck when I was 15 years old. When I hit and landed, the way I landed really messed up my L4, L5. What I noticed was a small stroll or standing in one spot hurt way worse than a 2-mile jog.
And we did some easy stuff. We eventually ended up doing surgery, did some nerve releases, but we also did a procedure called the hypercure, where we did an implant. You know, with your foot, you know, your ankle bone was kind of sliding down into the inside and your arch was collapsing down, and what we did is we placed that hypercure stent, you know, into the canal there, and that basically got you straight, got you even. I never imagined in a million years that what we were doing to affect your feet and your legs was also going to help your back, but it makes sense because if you think about your foot being that foundation, just like when you're building a house, you know, if your foundation's not solid, you're going to get walls that are cracking and doors that are sticking. And in your case, it was this foundational issue had been complicating, and in my opinion, probably just making the original back injury when you were 15 that much worse for all these years and stuff. So I just thought it was amazing the story that you had to share as it related to that, and just how powerful, you know, this 10-minute procedure is in helping even patients that have back issues, even though I'm a foot and ankle surgeon, not a back doctor.
Always with massages, I never let them touch my legs or my lower back because it hurt to do so. With the nerves, it hurt. So on the lady talked me into it, and just knowing what was going to happen, she started on my right leg, which had not had the hypercure. It hurt. I was not comfortable. I was almost wincing. Just the pressure's a little too much. Get through it. She moved to the left leg. I was in tears, but it was happy tears. Zero pain at all the way down my leg, my lower back, into my feet. No pain at all.
Again, thank you for sharing with everybody.
Well, thank you for making me feel like a different person.
You're very welcome.